Let me get to the point. Oh, let me see too. So this goes to the elders that always wants to tell us youth that we can't talk to others, we can't, how can I explain it? The one that be telling us why do we talk to other tribes than the Boer tribe? Or why do we date out of the Boer tribe? See, let's say this. The war that is going on in Sudan, we, children's, kids, youth, how you want to say it, have nothing, okay? We have nothing to do with it. We are innocent. But I do feel sad for the kids that are dying, okay? But us that did not cause this war have nothing to do with it. Us that did not cause all this thing that's happening back home, we have nothing to do with it. So stop trying to separate us kids or us youth. Stop trying to separate us from not being friends with the other tribes. We're all Sudanese. Just because we have different tribes, we're still all Sudanese. We're still all black. We always gonna be black. Even if we use cream, we're still black. Even if they use cream, man. Cream is, you still black, okay? But you elders gotta understand that trying to separate us is not gonna work. Back home is working. Because y'all fighting each other, killing each other, okay? You guys are killing each other. When we try to speak out, you guys are, oh, you guys are just kids. Y'all don't know nothing. You don't know nothing about what's going on. See, we do know what's going on. We do understand what is going on. We are more smarter than you guys nowadays. We want peace. Some of you elders do not want peace. Some of you adults do not want peace. Some of you mothers or fathers still have that old history in you guys' mind. See, if you guys forgive, you're going to be forgiven. Also, some of you guys have not forgiven the other tribes. Some of you guys just want to keep on continuing hating each other, knowing that we're all still Sudanese. Look at you. That we're all still Sudanese. We're all forever going to be Sudanese. Even to these Kawaja people, we're still Sudanese. Even to these African Americans, we are Sudanese. So by you guys not understanding the fact that us youth, we're trying to help instead of continuing this, we're trying to help. But majority of you elders do not want to let the past go. Like right now there's killing in Boer, in Juba, but you guys won't think before you guys do something. Like Sudanese don't even think. We have a brain, but y'all don't use you guys' brain no more. It's just kill, 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 kill. That's all in you guys' brain. Hi, baby. That's all in you guys' brain. If you guys think for a second and realize why are we killing each other, why are we killing the mothers, why are we killing the children, we won't have this problem till this year. But I guess we're going to continue because some of you guys do not want to think. Like, why do you have a brain if you're not going to think about what you're about to do? You're about to kill an innocent child that has not lived their life or is never going to live their life. You're going to kill a mother and the kid's going to miss a mother. Or you're going to kill a father, a kid going to miss a father. Why is that even happening? Why are we just killing each other? The more we kill each other, the more that we're gone. But we keep coming. You guys keep bringing kids in this world and think that, oh, the kids is going to hate the other tribe. No, that's not good. Me, myself, I love Nord people. I love Dinka people. How you guys say it? Dinka. I love all tribes that's in South Sudan because we are still South Sudanese. We are Sudanese. You guys got to understand that. Just because the tribe is different. Okay. Like, for example, what is it? Somebody told me, oh, Nerd people did this to me a long time ago. Well, a long time ago. Listen, you said a long time ago. That does not mean that you bring it to the future. Okay? So, if you keep bringing the past to the future, you're not going to have no future. You're not going to have no bright future. You're going to stay in the past. Like, that's the problem about us Sudanese. We'll never forgive. We'll never let the past go. We will always continue to let the past hunt us, okay? You gotta forgive to be forgiven. But the problem is you guys don't forgive. Why don't you forgive? Nerd people are still our brothers and sisters, okay? We're still brothers and sisters. This war started because we didn't want to share what... I don't know how it started, but I guess somebody took some didn't want to give it back or something. But see, now it's just Dinka people killing Dinka people. Ain't no North people no more in it. It's Dinka people killing Dinka people. If you keep Dinka people killing each other, there's not going to be no Dinka people. Okay? And you guys want us to go back to Sudan. How are we going to go back to Sudan if they're still killing? Ain't nobody want to die. Nobody want to lose their life like that. It just happened. So it's like, no. But us youth, we're trying to make peace. But you elders, parents, do not want to do that. You guys just want to, want to continue bringing the past. I hate that. It really irritates me. And I hate seeing other kids that are back home dying or starving. Dying of just getting killed for no reason. It's very sad. And it hurts. Because it's like, damn, why is this happening? Why isn't our people getting along? Why? But you guys just don't want to listen. When us youth give you guys advice, like, forgive. No, there's no such thing as forgive in Sudanese hearts. You guys don't know what forgive is. I don't think you guys do. Because if you guys did forgive and started to appreciate and love each other, we would not have this war. We would not have this killing, there's so much killing. Like, I don't even know how to explain it because this whole killing is us killing each other. It's not even the Kawada people, it's not even the other tribes, other people that's not in Sudan killing each other. It's us. We're the ones that are killing each other. We're the ones that are harming each other. We're doing it to ourselves. We're not doing it for others. We're doing it to ourselves. And that's so sad because how are we doing that to ourselves and you guys talking about, I want peace. I want our country back. That is not going to happen with the people back home because people back home are losing their mind. They're really losing it. Even people here in the United States are losing it too. Like they literally still have the past in their head. Like when are you elders or parents going to understand that if you guys continue this hatred, all this, separating tribes, all this nonsense, we're not going to have no South Sudan. North Sudan, I haven't heard nothing about them. I haven't heard nothing. But all you hear is South Sudan killing pictures, killing this, killing that. Don't you guys get tired of just killing others? Don't you guys get tired of just harming each other? Like, first, last year, oh, Nor people did this, Nor people did that, Nor people did this. What about the Dinka people? Okay? What about the Dinka people? Because you can't just blame one tribe. We're doing this to ourselves. Put it down. We're doing this to ourselves. And this tribalism thing gotta stop. This tribalism gotta stop. Sooner or later, it has to stop because it's not good. It is not good. The future kids do not need to know about no tribalism. They all need to know that we're all Sudanese. We might speak a little bit different languages, but we have some ways in understanding each other. So this whole tribalism has to stop. Literally. Because we are doing this harm to ourselves. We are killing each other, killing people that others love. All this. But I expect that the president's supposed to do something. He tried his best. I don't even blame the president no more. I don't even mind that man no more. Now it's just us. Us, the people. This is our problem. We're doing this. The president did his part. But I'm still mad at him for some other reasons. But see, us Sudanese people don't listen. Most of us don't listen. Most of us want to have a hard head and now let the past go. Most of us want to never forgive. Most of us just don't even care about other people no more. Don't care about how other people will feel when they lose their loved ones. Like, they just don't have no heart no more. All you guys think about is kill, 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 kill. Post pictures on Facebook. Kill, kill, kill. Stop posting the pictures on Facebook. That is just, how can I say it? Irritating to see another person's dead body. Why would you guys keep posting those pictures? That's just sad. Like, it's heartbreaking, man. Don't post them pictures. It's just not making anything good. It's not making it good at all. Like, don't take the picture and post it. You could write an article about it, but don't post the picture. Because that's just disturbing. That's just, like, I saw the same picture and I was like, what? We're still doing this? But we expect that we're going to have a better country. Okay. A better country. Peaceful country. We're not going to have that if we're not going to work together. We're not going to have that if we don't work together. We'll drink it now. Drink that. We're not going to have a peaceful, no killing country no more. Because elders are not helping. Nobody wants to think the right way. They just all want to, kill, 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 kill. I think that's all that's in you guys' head. And you guys blame tribe. Now I'm just blaming everybody. Everybody. Because you can't blame the Nuer. You can't. Because now it's just Junubins killing Junubins. Or Dinka people killing Dinka people. How they say it. We don't hear nothing. Stop this tribalism. Stop it because it's not good. I myself would never let my kids know nothing about no tribalism. I'm Sudanese. That's all they gotta know. But other than that, my kids gonna be raised right. But some of you parents got to stop this whole tribalism. Even you guys in the United States. If your child wants to be with somebody else that you don't approve, that's not from the same tribe as you, see, you can't stop love, or you can't stop how somebody feels until that person that they like hurts their feelings. So you gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. If your child wants to be with somebody else that's not in the same tribe, let it go. If they end up marrying another tribe, let it go. That's none of your business because that's them marrying it, not you. This is not no three-way relationship. It's two, not three. If they get married, it's their relationship, not you. They're husband and wife, not husband, wife, mom, husband, wife, dad. No. So you gotta let it go. Gotta let the past go. Stop letting the past hunt you, because you guys are not letting the past go. Some of you guys still think about the old, how you guys got chased, how you guys did that. Okay, I understand you got chased, but you survived though. You survived. You're not back home right now dealing with this that we're going to. You're not back home, Mo. You in a whole different country. So how you gonna hold the past? Still, you gotta let it go. You gotta forgive what people did, like it says in the Bible. Be forgive, so you're gonna be forgiven. But nah, that's not gonna happen, cause you know you got a hard head, just a hard metal head. Like I don't understand how are we ever gonna go back home? Cause this America life, the Australia life, the Canada life. Mostly the Australia life with these little kids, youth, or how you say them, is not good. Australia people are going to start sending refugee people back home. Like, no joke. They getting tired of all these kids wilding. They don't know what crazy is till they go back home. They going to understand. They see it, but they don't care. They just think they're gang. Gang, okay? American kids try to go with the African American. They try to follow everything they do. They're trying to fit. Though damn well they can't fit. Like, don't put yourself in a situation that you know is not good. Like, don't fit in with the others when you don't fit in. Don't try so hard of fitting in when you know you're not. You're different. But I guess they don't care. They don't care nowadays. They don't. I feel sad for the parents that have to go through the kids that go to jail just because they want to fit in with the other people. If you know you're Sudanese, you're Sudanese. You can't try to act all gangster. Can't try to act all all that. No, sweetie. No, sweetie. You're forever going to be Sudanese. If you want to be a gangster, go back home. See how they do it. At home, they don't even have a gang. They just have people that have guns or have people that SPLA, army. They put you in the army if you try to act gangster. Or you think you're tough. They're going to think you're tough and they put you in the army. But see, that's the thing. You can't bring kids in this world if you know they can't handle it. Like, but in Australia, they think they got gangs. In America, kids try to fit in with gangs, blood, crip. I don't understand, man. How are you going to try to fit in with others when you're not? Like, I just think some of you kids that try to act tough need to go back home. Because back there, you act tough, they'll end up beating you up badly. No. Yes. Like, you try to act tough, you get beat up. But I guess nobody cares about that no more. And I don't think we should care about this tribalism too, because it's not good. It's not good. Like, stop it. By the way, for us to try to fix or make South Sudan better again, we gotta love each other. We gotta find somehow to try to get along. Somehow to try to stop this war that's happening. Somehow try to stop this killing, because this killing, we're losing people every day. We don't even know how many people that we lost instead of them being on Facebook and all that. We lose a lot of people every day. All the tribes is losing their people. Just because there's so much hatred between us. Like, why is there so much hatred? No. Clearly that we're all Sudanese. Clearly, we're all going to be black forever. Okay? We're always going to be black. We're always going to be Sudanese. This tribalism has to stop. This killing has to stop immediately. Because it's not good. We'll lose people. We'll bring kids in the world. Then they just lost that fast. Like, how are we gonna bring kids in this world knowing that they could die anytime? They could, I don't know, get kidnapped. One nation, one blood. That's right. We're all one nation, man. You guys gotta stop this, because this isn't, I don't think this is gonna stop until somebody really hit half of you elders in the head. Like, why? Why? Why is not this gonna stop? Like, this has to stop, because some of you elders still think it's okay to talk about other tribes. Still think it's okay to try to tell us that we shouldn't be talking to other tribes just because they're from another tribe. Or we shouldn't be dating from other tribes just because they're from a different tribe. Or we shouldn't even be communicating with them. Or having friends from another tribe. See, me, myself, I have friends that's Nuer. I love my Nuer people. They're the best. I love my Dinka people. That's how you guys say it. I love my other Equatorian, all that. There's some good people. We're still Sudanese, man. So this has to stop. Sooner or later. Like, it's not right. It is not right. Like, it is not right. South Sudan has gang too, true. See, I mean, they have gangs, but different, like, their type of gangs is different from how these kids wants to act in Australia, talking about gang, gang, gang. How kids wants to act in America, talking about gang, gang, gang. Like, what? You guys don't know nothing about that. Just go back home, they're gonna teach you what gang, gang is. They don't even say gang, gang, gang. It's just stop, don't say it. They don't even say gang, gang, gang. But some of you kids have to understand that all this trying to fit in with others is not good. Be yourself. Don't fit in with others. Do not. Don't try to fit in with the bad people. Get yourself friends that has positive, knows about life, think about their future. Like, that's all we need. Because this whole trying to be a gangster, you're not going to get nowhere in life. You're not going to get nowhere in life trying to be a gangster. You better start thinking about your future. You better start thinking about how you want your life to be in the future. Think about your education before you think about being a gang. Your education is the key to everything. Think about your education. Think about how your parents would feel if you want to be a gangster. But see, I guess nowadays, Sudanese parents don't even care about how their sons act. All they care is about their daughters. Like, that's how Sudanese are. They care about their daughters more than sons. See, parents, you guys have to not give the boys a chance to do anything. Like, us girls, we don't get a chance to do everything. No. There's a lot of strict rules. You guys have the same strict rules for the boys too, because the boys are the one that's crazy, out of control nowadays. So you guys let the boys get out of control. How you think they're gonna listen to you afterward? Beating them up? You know, these days kids nowadays will call the police just because you beat them up. We'll talk about abuse. So I guess the parents have to have strict rules for the boys too, as they have for the girls. We girls, we good. Majority of us know what we're doing. Majority of us think about our life. Not go out there party all the time. Majority of us have a future. But the boys, they get the free stuff. They get the free willing of living life, but some of them mess it up. Like, why? If you're back home, back in Sudan, you don't get chances of doing that. You don't. Gonna be dead in the street, laying down, body dead, nothing. But out here in this Western world, in Australia too, you guys have a lot of freedom. A lot of freedom, okay? But some of you guys don't understand that having a lot of freedom means you could do so much things in life that's gonna make you successful. Okay? But the majority of you guys don't want to do that. You just want to be in the game. Then half of these parents, okay? Half of the parents want to tell their kids, don't talk to other tribes. Don't do that. Parents, listen to me. I'm not a mother. I'm a daughter. From my experience, I think that trying to separate us kids or us youth is not good. It is not good. We're all still Sudanese. We need our other tribes. Because us youth are the one are trying to make Sudan good. Us youth are the one are trying to get you elders to listen or you parents to listen. We are trying our best. Soon we're going to give up because we lose hope fast. But some of us have hope of trying to get our country back, trying to get peace back. But the problem is, it's the elders and the parents. Some parents are good parents. I'm not saying all parents are bad. But some parents got to let the past go. Of what happened a long time ago, the war that chased you guys in the jungle. You guys got to let that go. You survive. If you survive, you got to let the past go. You got to worry about your future. But no, honey. You don't want to. But want us to not like others. What? There's some of us that will listen to our parents. But there's some of us that won't. Like me. I'm a hardhead. I would do what I think is right. I would speak my mind. Just because I know the right and wrong. If I mess up, I'll agree. I mess up. But if I'm not, shoot, gonna have to beat me up. Because I'm not gonna listen. I will always speak my mind. Even, at church, there was these few guys that elders that came up to me. Was like, oh, you need to stop talking about we're going to have peace in Sudan. We're never going to have peace in Sudan. I was just like, why are you watching my live if you're going to hate? Why are you watching my live if you're going to say this nonsense? This stupid, oh, no cussing. This nonsense. Like, if you an elder, you're supposed to tell me good things. Tell me that I'm doing a good job for speaking out for my Sudanese people. I'm doing a good job for speaking out for the youth. Have a voice to speak out. Like, not tell me, oh, we're not going to have Sudan back. Sudan is never going to be good. We're going to stop speaking about it. This war is never going to stop. If you lose hope, that's on you. Me, I still have hope on my Sudanese people. I will always will. But if you lose hope and try to make me lose hope, I'm sorry to tell you, that's never going to happen. That's not. I don't care. Even with this whole killing, that's not going to happen. Me, I'm going to have my hope and continue having hope. That we're going to have a country back. This tribalism going to stop. This hatred going to stop. We're going to be one nation. We're going to love each other. But if you got the nerve to bring your bald head self to tell me that our country's not going to be back, we're not going to have no good future, we're not going to go back home, that's you. You don't have to go back home. Me, I need to. Because this American life, it's okay. But home is home. You got to be home. You got to go back home sooner or later. Go see how things change, how teach the little generation coming up about the country, the culture. That's why I love our music. I love our music. Bless you. I love our music. I love other tribe music. Because you gotta understand. I don't hate. If I hate you, I gotta have like a good reason of why I hate you. And you must have done something very, very bad to me that I hate. That makes me hate you so bad. But no. I'm not gonna hate other tribes just because other people tell me to. I don't even listen to other people nonsense. If you got anything negative to say, I don't care. I'm just gonna be like, okay. Alright. Is that right? Okay. That's all. I'm not gonna say none of you. Unless if you disrespect me, then sorry. Gotta let it go. But other than that, some of your parents need to stop hating. Need to realize that this hating is nothing. Okay? It's not gonna help. It's not gonna fix nothing. It's gonna do nothing. It's just not gonna do anything at all. Like, you understand that's not gonna do anything. This hatred, this nonsense you guys be speaking. And then for you aunties and uncles that be going on Facebook, starting drama, cussing at each other. What else? Exposing each other. We do not care about what you guys do, okay? But what you guys need to understand that using this live for drama, exposing, is just ridiculous, bro. Like, why do you do that? Why do you expose other person's personal life or personal problems? Why do you guys even go on live to start about it? If you guys gonna do that, get your phone and call them. Or go meet up with them and fight. Or something. Not get on live and, oh, stop. That's just, that's just wrong, bro. That is wrong. Like, don't do that. Don't just... But better life is ku bajamira ku kebeluloy ku kene baluel ku kene why? It's just annoying. Like, it's... I had to block a few people because I was just tired of you guys just me seeing that. I'm just like... And then there's some of you guys like, oh, continue, go back on live. You didn't finish what you were saying. Yeah, salam. If you want him or her to finish it, call their phone. Tell them to tell you the whole thing. Not to get on live. Junubin people, stop that. That's just annoying, bro. Like, it's just... It's annoying. We're tired. We're tired to see that. That you guys are keep doing this. It's not entertaining. It's just annoying. Like, bro, I could block people every day if I keep seeing people share that. I won't mind sharing stuff about people inspiring others or all that. I won't mind sharing that. But if it comes to the drama, you aunties be doing extra, okay? You guys spill all the beans. Tell everybody life story. How they had their first husband, their second husband, their third husband. Yeah, lich. Why? Why you guys do that? And then you uncles. Damn uncles. I thought you guys supposed to respect each other. Where's the respect? You guys don't have no respect for each other. But when you uncles go on live to talk about somebody else, oh my goodness. You guys do the most too. Y'all do extra. For you uncles that go on live to talk about somebody else, you know how ladies gossip? You guys gossip too. So if you're going to gossip like a lady, start wearing a dress. So we know that you gossip. Stop wearing a lot of dresses. So you know you're a gossip man. Because there's gossip ladies, women, that's how you say it. But for you men that gossip, start wearing dresses if you're going to continue doing that. But for you other that don't, good job for just getting on live, promoting, for also inspiring others. You guys need to just stop. Go get water. La baby. You guys need to stop. Like, it's just annoying. What? La baby. So stop. They do. They need to respect each other. I don't think Junubis even know what respect is. I don't think they do. I don't even think they know what forgiving is. I don't think so. Ow! Like, Junubi. They don't know what forgiving is. They don't know what respect is. Because majority of you guys just go on, start drama, do all this nonsense. And then at the end, try to act innocent. Like, how are you going to act innocent after you just did that? You can't act innocent. Like, jeez. You guys just need to all go back home. And you know how they do it back home? You go to somebody's house and beat them up and then go to your house. If you guys want to do that, just go back home. No, bye. Then go fight. If you guys want to do that. But this Facebook, you guys be arguing overseas. That's the funny part. Stop it. You guys be arguing overseas. Like, who argues overseas? Bay phone. Bay phone. Like, how you argue overseas, man? How do you guys do that? How do you guys even know each other overseas? Yeah, salam. But that's all. Because there's so much hatred. And you guys talk about one nation, one love. I don't even know if Sudanese even know what love is. Because I think you know how you guys pay the money to marry the girl? You guys got that stuck in you guys' head. That's not love, bro. That is just paying the money for the girl so you could get the shorty. But who am I to talk about that? I got nothing to do with that. Yep. Back home, they have respect. You gotta respect each other. But some of you guys don't want to do that. The one that live in the Western world don't want to respect each other. Just wants to get on Facebook and talk about somebody else. And then, back home, we were not having this war this bad as this year. This year and last year was the worst years ever. Because a lot of people lost their family members. A lot of people lost their cousins, all that. Their friends. Just because there's so much hatred. There's so much hate. There's not even love back home. They don't know what love each other is. Forgiveness is. Hi, Auntie. They don't know what forgiveness is. They just want to hate, and expect us to do the same. No. Some of us will do the same. Some of us, me, myself, will not let out. I will not let you guys or anybody tell me a bad thing and think that I'm going to go along with it. I'm not going to go along with it. I will not hate. I will not hate other people just because somebody told me to. Just because an elder. And I will not stop going on live and speak about South Sudan if somebody tells me not to stop. I will not do that. I will speak my mind until everybody hears me out. If you don't like me doing this, block me, unfriend me, don't watch my live. But if you really got a problem with that, just block me. If you block somebody, you can't see what they post, what they say, what the video is. Block, or unfriend me. But some of you guys just, mostly it's like you older guys. The ones that still got the crazy head. The ones that got the crazy head. The ones that got hatred. Don't want to let me speak my mind. I will speak my mind for people that don't want to speak. I will be their voice. Excuse me. Here. I'll be their voice if they're afraid to talk. But one thing I will know that I will never stop is speaking my mind. I got a big head for a reason. You got a big brain, big head. I'll always speak my mind. Until the day I die or the day I get old as hell. I'm going to barely speak if I'm old as hell. But now, I'll speak my mind until the day I die. Nobody gonna stop me. Oh, it's really peace. Yes, we do, Uncle. We do need that. We need peace, forgiveness, love. Because if we don't have those, we're not gonna have no country. The people that have been wanting our country to be a mess are so far winning. But that's not good. You guys gotta stop letting other people win and start to let other Junubian people win. Let us start to do changes. Some changes that, how can I say? We need changes. If we continue with this war killing until 2017, wait, 18 I mean, that's just, I don't know if we're going to have hope.
1, 2, 3, 4,
because if this continues until next year,
8, 9,
in 2 years,
9, 10, go!
I don't think we're ever going to change anything. If this continues until in 3 years. Hopefully by this year or next year, we have some changes. We have no killing. Don't have to see. Excuse this little girl. Calm down, mama. But I don't know what to say because this is going to be my last one. And please, please, please stop sharing. What? Go get it. Go bring them. And please stop sharing those dead people pictures. Stop sharing them. I don't want to see them. Don't post a dead person picture. Because the family members that don't know them will see it. And that's heartbreaking. That they didn't know that their people died.
Go!
So how they just go see on Facebook and be like, what? I don't know who that is. And then realize that their loved one is dead. Realize that their friend is dead. That's just sad. Very sad to see. Very sad to just... It hurts. The feeling hurts. I know it. I know the feeling of losing a dead person. Or a family member. Or a friend. I know the feeling. It hurts so bad. Even after they're dead over a year or 2 or 3, it still hurts. Because it's like, damn, you missed them. So it's like, you gotta let them go, but they're still in you. They are still in you. So don't post those dead people pictures. Nobody wants to see the person that has blood all over them. Nobody wants to see a little child dead. That's just sad for the mothers. That's sad for me to see. Like, it's like, I have a sister, a baby sister. If I lose her, I don't know what I do. God forbid I do. I want her to grow up and realize that she's my person. Go bring the phone, baby. For her to realize that she's Sudanese and know the culture and everything. She has to know everything before I get old. I will teach her the good. I will teach her everything she has to know. That's the good. I'm not going to let nobody negative tell her anything bad. So, I don't have much to say. I'm getting out of world and I'm tired. But that's my message. Stop hating. We're all one nation. We're all Sudanese. We are all Sudanese. Stop tribalism. That's not good. It's not good at all. Stop killing each other. Because we're just losing each other. We're not losing no Kawaja people. The Kawaja people even say, damn, they're just killing each other. Like, we are killing ourselves. See how sad that is? We're just killing ourselves. But I pray every night, pray every day that our country gets back. No war. Country be in peace. We all love each other again. Our prayers will be answered one day. Like God said, be patient. God is working on it. And we have to be patient and believe. Have hope. If you don't have any type of hope, I don't know what to tell you. That's just sad. Very, very sad if you don't have hope. But if you have hope, be patient with God. God, do His thing. God got this. Because He didn't bring us in this world for no reason. Go bring the charger. Let baby plug. Like, be patient. That's right. That is right. Majority of us just has to have hope. That's all we need, hope. Hope, hope. Pray to God that we have a country, one nation. That's all we need. So I have to go back home. So I can go play in this water, go into church, go dance youth. Because I miss dancing in the choir.
No, Max.
You don't go.
Already.
Go. I miss dancing in the little church choir youth. I miss running around with no shoes on. I miss go get some water, then put it in my head and then walk, take it back home. Excuse me. I miss that. But that's all I gotta say. God bless you guys. Have a great day or night. Talk to you guys next time.